Oh, I got a little bit of morning traffic, eh? Gotta love it. This woman just looks in her mirror and she went even further to the other side. Oh, Hardy Rider, let's see if we get a nod. No, not at all. What a fucking bonobo. So welcome to another video, guys. It's been an interesting week so far, basically. For those of you who don't know, I mean, how do you not know this? It's pretty obvious shit. We did the motorcycle competition. We selected the winner, which is awesome, and that was Richard. I wasn't actually able to get hold of him on the day, which was kind of a bummer. I did want him to get on video with you guys when the draw happened, but alas, you know, for whatever reason, he wasn't available. I sent an email and we got hold of him the following day, so he's gonna come on a video at some point. But for those of you who didn't see the draw, I was so paranoid about the whole process. Anyway, it's done, it's awesome. He gets about $1,000, 750 quid. Boom, happy days, son. As far as I'm aware, he's quite recently completed his CBT, so fingers crossed he puts the money towards like a bike or something like that. That would be like the best thing for me. I've got some exciting things as well this week, so I've actually started, whoa, fuck off, mate. I've actually started a new job, which is awesome. Really excited about that. Doing really, really well. I'm really, really happy there. But in more exciting news, I would say, is that I'm actually going for my bachelor party to Prague on Friday. So that's in 2 days now. Or whenever you watch this video, I guess. Wherever Friday is in that time scale. And I'm going to be recording the whole bloody thing. Which is going to be sweet. We're going to be full of culture, you know. Visiting multiple places of culture where you can drink culture and, you know, have culture dance on your lap. I personally will not be getting that kind of culture, but I think my singleton friends will be. Gabby doesn't have anything to worry about, man. In the live stream as well, like, she was voicing her concerns, which I thought was quite funny. But it's gonna be so much fun. I've always said like that I would be really interested in recording it for you guys. Not only is it a good thing for me to have, like I can share it with my family and friends, like this is what we got up to. Like this is why my cousin Hugo got a head tattoo kind of thing. That's why we strapped into a lamppost and shaved his head and got him a head tattoo. Those kinds of things, you know, family moments, family friendly moments are really important for me. It's also good to share with you guys, because I'm going to be all cheesy as fuck. You guys are like my family. Oh yeah, knee down, boy. I love that bit of road. What the fuck are you braking for, boy? Oh damn, my mirror's all out of wackadoodle right there, god damn it. And then next week on Friday, so a week from Friday this week, I'm going with Gabby for 10 days to España. Fingers crossed I'll be able to get some videos done of riding with Gabby's dad's bikes, VMAX and stuff, and oh, that'd be amazing. I love that motorcycle. I think if I was gonna buy a second bike, I'd definitely buy a VMAX. It's just such a cool bike and it's so quick. Hayabusa, brah! That was Jay! Oops, excuse me. Thank you. Namaste. I like these roundabouts because they're quite little nippy ones. Hello, Pumpkin. You're pretty much on the other side of the road, Ford. Do you mind if I squeeze past you, please? Usually people on this road are quite good because there's quite a lot of space on the left. So a lot of people were asking me, Dubare, what are you going to do with your ninjutsu now that the competition's over? Like, what are you going to do? Are you going to sell it or keep riding it until the, you know, until the ground, which would be for years because these things don't die? What are you going to do with it, boy? And to that I say, knee down, knee down. I guess there's loads of things I'm kind of thinking about doing this bike. I mean, I was really hoping that this would go on the competition just because I really wanted to like give back to you guys, you know what I mean? So like I really wanted to, my dream was that, you know, a load of tickets would be sold so that I would have my finances covered, like I wouldn't lose out on this bike on the competition, so I wouldn't lose my own money from it. Then somebody who won the competition is somebody who needs the money, or you know, somebody who wants to get into biking, or somebody who wants to get a new bike kind of thing, like, you know. That's what I really wanted to do, but alas, that's not what happened. But you know, I'm happy that the competition went the way it did, and I'm happy for it to be successful. You know, that's good for me. So you guys can see the fact that I'm going to work, so I'm wearing a shirt under my race suit. What I've been thinking about is like, okay, well, what do I do now? Do I do another competition? And I think no, I don't think people are strong on the uptake of it. I don't think people, you know, not even half the amount of tickets were sold for this competition, so I was like, meh, it's probably not worth my time. I need to think about it. I might even just keep the Ninja, to be fair. I might keep it and give it to Gabby. I want a new road bike, for sure. I want something that's big and beefy and with a V-twin in it. Just give it to Gabby, to be fair. Let her ride it for a while. Once she decides out what bike she wants to get, I might just turn it into a track bike. We could tracker-size it, which I think would be sweet, because I'd love to have a dedicated track bike. And this thing would be amazing on it. The other thing is just like mounting it on my wall at home or something. I think this is the bike that's basically made my channel though, to be fair. I can't really just fuck it off for a shit price. What might be quite fun is actually if I make a build series on turning the thing into a track bike. I think that'd be sweet. But I guess I would kind of miss still riding it on the roads, because it's just such a fun, nimble motorcycle. And the great thing about it is it's just cheap as well, man. Like everyone says, oh, what bike should I get? Cheap one that's fun. Plus it's quick enough, man. It can pretty much keep up with 1000cc up until about 100 and something mile an hour. 120, I would say. 110, 120 in a straight line, of course. Not that I've tried, you know, everything on track, simulated. Might just be really cheeky here. Haha. That's why it's nice having a bike, man. You see so many people just miserable, just sitting in traffic. You're like, bye. Not only do you look fucking badass, but you also get home quicker. You get style and practicality. Unlike this guy. You got the practicality, you just don't have the style when you're on a bicycle. I'm sorry, guys. There's something not very sexy about Lycra and a helmet and a high-vis. But yeah, man, turning this thing into a track bike would be a wonderful series, I think. What is that? That looks like a Daytona. Oh, it's a Ducati Super Sport, Ducati Super Sport, which are the most weird Ducati sport bikes you've ever seen in the world, because it's like Ducati's attempt at making a sport tourer. It has definitely over an 800cc engine, I think it's 900 or so. It only puts out about just over 100 horsepower. It's like, what the fuck is the point, mate? And they cost like £1 million. If you're gonna buy that, why the fuck wouldn't you just buy a Panigale? Just go full out, mate. I don't understand it. Turning the thing into a track bike would be a cool little series. And then obviously doing some track days and things like that, because I want to get more into track days. I really want to get more into racing. It's always been like a dream of mine to be able to say, you know what, fuck it, for the next like 4 weekends in a row I'm going racing. And like, oh god, it would be amazing. It smells like piss around here, and it's definitely not coming from inside my helmet. That is a substantial smell. Holy shit, that was horrible. I guess it was something back there. Wow. One of the joys of motorcycling, I guess. You just experience all smells and environments regardless of how stinky they are. Oh, there we go. We just kind of realized. Thank you. Cheers, mate. See, some people are cool, man. Some people are just dumb as fuck. Like this car, you can tell that you're not going to try to sneak in front of, you know, on the outside. Because it's the kind of cars that look like a slightly beaten up, kind of old. That one had cobwebs on the fucking wind mirror. You're like, meh, probably not the most practical of drivers. Someone is literally smoking weed out of their car in front of me. I'm not kidding here. That was marijuana smell, boy. Definitely that dude. Okay, we're gonna go on the outside here as well. We're gonna be a little sneaky. Even though we're turning right, we're gonna go like, hello bitches. Yeah, split playtime before we get home. Love a bit of playtime. Oh no, playtime is ruined. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Well done again to Richard for winning the motorcycle competition. Hopefully we'll get him on stream very soon, or at least on a video at some point in the near future. Like this video if you like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe notification bell, and I'll see you next video. Ciao.